The bright yellow stick. There it is.
Yeah,
It's by your knee.
Other side. Other engine, other side. Got it? Oops.
Yeah, that might help a little bit.
Now.
What's it show? Turn it over. The full mark is up here somewhere.
Yeah, it's right. Right there. A little less than that. Let me do it one more time.
Okay.
If I turn it the right way. Yeah, a little under.
Yeah, a little under. So we might be running fast today, so let's take the time and top off the engine with a little dab of oil.
Okay.
Here, I've got your makeshift funnel. Now there's a rubber O-ring on that. Make sure it came off with the yellow lid.
Yep.
Okay,
Got it.
good. Here's your funnel. And then your oil jug right here has a sight window in the back. Okay, you got the jug?
In the bathroom.
Okay, we'll wait for you.
The sight
Sight
window?
window's right there.
Oh, okay.
Shine the light on
I
again.
don't have glasses.
Pardon?
Since I don't have glasses, I made you a cup of water up here in the Bojangles cup.
Okay, that's good, thank you.
Alright, so, oh, I see, it's actually clear. I didn't know what I was looking at. Okay, yeah, okay, it's right there.
It's molded into the handle.
So that's,
We'll put the flashlight all the way, touch it, touch the flashlight to it. You see the liquid
Right,
right through here.
right.
Okay, and without the flashlight, you can just look in that clear strip.
Yeah, that's so I could see that. I was trying to...
Okay.
Okay, so we're...
Well, you're not measuring this, you're measuring the dipstick. So put in,
Yeah, I was just trying to figure out how much, what do you think? So I don't know what the...
I would think put in quarter cup.
Okay.
Okay, let that go. Now next time pour this on the side. Instead of on the end, pour it on the side.
Okay.
It'll pour better.
All right.
And put the lid on it. Always put the lid on your jug because they have a way of falling off. And you don't want a gallon of oil in the bilge.
Noted. And you're
Okay.
right.
Now it'll take a little bit of time for that to drain down through the head of the engine, through the valve stems, all the way into the crankcase.
Okay.
But we can go ahead and pull the stick and see if it makes a difference.
Let's see, let's, let's...
What do we have here?
Yeah, it came up a little bit.
It came up? Okay. So I think we'll be good for the day.
All right.
So, since that's the only funnel we have, that plastic coated paper, try to wipe it down so we can reuse it again if necessary.
All right.
And then just throw away the paper towel that you're using to check the dipstick.
Right.
So I'll get this gallon jug out of your way.
All right.
And you can see right here how much oil we've got in it. Let me set this up here. And you can look. There's the oil right there. Got questions about checking the oil? Ask Captain Chris.